Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today we are going to present problem-based tasks. My name is Nurima Fatika binti Muhammad Riza, nama metrik 01DDT19F1033.
My name is Nur Aina Sofia binti Ahmad Nazib 01DDT19F1162.
My name is Alice Natasha binti Muhammad Kamil 01DDT1F1011.
My name is Nur Akila binti Zaidi 01DDT19F1203.
So we are going to talk about 5 threats and the countermeasures. So what are 5 threats that we choose? First is malicious code, malicious apps. Second is spyware. Third is inactive apps. Fourth is no password protection, and fifth is phishing attack. For the malicious apps, when you visit Google Play or App Store to download apps, the apps ask for a list of permission before allow people to download them. Some people just ignore them and agree without reviewing it. So what we should do, people need to check the permission apps request before they approve to download. If the list of permissions seems too invasive, they should skip the download and find the other apps. Next, I will pass to the next presenter.
Alright, spyware. Spyware, whether you are using an iOS or Android device, the devices are targeted for threats focused on mining user data, and your private corporate data. Android devices were targeted with fake app downloads and that mine user data and track users over time. To fight back, Google now offer Play Protect security in the Play Store. So next page. What we should do. So first, choose a mobile security app and ask all of your employees to download it onto their devices. Second, make it a requirement for employees to update their devices software regularly. And the last one is regularly updates. Ensure that their devices are protected against the latest spyware threats. So next is inactive apps.
For inactive apps, Google and Apple remove apps from their stores. But the thing is, they don't offer much explanation about why. We can assume that there must be some security problems. Then they found apps that force users to click on ads by making it hard to use the app. Otherwise, when the user clicks on the ad, it runs in the background without the user knowing, while the ad accumulates automated clicks to generate income for the app developer. Next. What we should do. While there should be more transparency for users and enterprises so they know that what apps could threaten their device, you should be proactive and regularly check the apps on devices to see if they're still active. Then, if apps aren't active, users should delete them to limit the threat to data access and privacy. I pass to the next presenter.
Okay, next is no password protection. It might be shocking that 34% of people don't use password on their phone. If their phone was stolen, it gives easy access to all the information stored in the phone. And mobile devices don't force users to create a password or PIN. And even when users do create them, devices don't confirm the strength of the password or PIN. So what we should do? We need to setting up password to secure our data. Take it one step further on and require two-factor authentication to access internal tools. And second is don't use the easy password like 1234 or ABCD. This password will not secure your device. Okay. Next is phishing attacks. This happen all too often in enterprises where hackers send what look like legit email or SMS to get employees to hand over private information. The email might inform finance about a change to the customer's banking information and ask that all payment to be rerouted to the new account. It all look and sound above board until the actually customer confirm that they haven't been receiving payment. And what we should do? So we need to fight against this. Enterprises need strict processes for employees to follow when customer requests changes and processes to alert the right people when red flags are spotted. Okay. And that's all for fight, threat, and countermeasures. Thank you.
Spyware. Spyware is a software that is designed to get the data illegally from someone's devices. It can communicate with our personal and confidential information to a user who has malicious attack. As long as we are using a device connected to our internet, you are in danger. We are in danger of a software infestation. So in this video, I'm going to show you a demo how to prevent from that happen. So first, I'm using McAfee, as you can see here. You got to install it, the original one, okay, not the correct one, because you will be in a very danger. Okay, so what McAfee can help from spyware nor getting attacked by malicious attack. So as you know that malicious attack, spyware attack happen when we are having a malicious code or any malicious effect in our devices. So here, as you can see, there is a button save web. Okay, now as you can see that, so we got to turn it on. So supported browser is Safari, Google Chrome, and Firefox. That is on my phone. So if it's turned off, you gotta turn it on, so that McAfee can protect you from the website that we are going to check. Okay, so I'm going to show you what will happen if we already did that, if we already turn it on. So here's I'm going to show you what will happen when I go to a very humble page called 123 movies. Okay, alright, let me type the 123 movie first. Okay, 123 movie. Okay, as you know that this is a very illegal website where unknowledge people usually watch the movie freely. Okay, in a simple word, we call it as a cetak rompak. So cetak rompak is not good. So yes, so I'm gonna click that one link, the purple one, because I already do a demo for myself. So here's what message will come up. It says the connection is not private. This website may be impersonation. The link to steal the personal and financial information. You should go back to the previous bit. So it shows that it protects our phone by getting that all of malicious attack and spyware. So as you can see that Safari wants us when a website has a certificate that is not valid. So Safari is already connected with our McAfee. So that's all from my video. Okay, thank you.
Hai dan Assalamualaikum, saya Nur Aqilah. Hari ini saya akan sambung mengenai threat and countermeasures, di mana saya akan pilih no password protection. So, no password protection ini sangat-sangat penting, di mana password itu kita set sendiri dalam our mobile device. And kalau tak set, our information akan senang-senang akses oleh orang luar. Dan juga mobile device ini tidak force user untuk masukkan password atau PIN pun sebenarnya. And kalau kita create pun mobile device ni tak confirmkan kekuatan password tersebut. So saya akan explain about countermeasures, cara nak mengatasi this threat. So ada dua cara. Yang pertama adalah 2FA Dan okey, kat sini 2FA saya tunjukkan untuk Instagram. Pergi pada setting to security and 2FA. Dekat sini saya menggunakan tag message, di mana kalau ada sesiapa nak masuk Instagram, dia akan bagi melalui message. Dan sini Instagram juga menjadikan authentication apps. Okey, kemudian saya tunjuk pada bahagian setting phone password. Okey, 2FA dia ada dua. Satu berkenaan dengan fingerprint dan satu lagi untuk face recognition. Okey, itu adalah 2FA yang berada dalam telefon. Dan yang kedua adalah do not use easy password. Okey, kemudian saya tunjukkan kelemahan dia adalah kebanyakannya menggunakan swipe, just swipe tanpa ada protection apa-apa. So pergi pada bahagian password and boleh kat sini ada nampak ada swipe 4 digit, 6 digit, pattern. Pattern ni pun ada kelemahan dia juga, di mana ianya mudah dibaca oleh sesiapa saja, and nak better set your own password. Okay, kat sini boleh letak huruf, numbers, huruf besar, huruf kecil, boleh set juga simbol. So kat sini memang paling better. Okey, sekian, terima kasih, dan itu sahaja pendedahan daripada kami mengenai threat dan countermeasure. Dan saya harap pendedahan ini memberi ilmu yang baru dan bermakna untuk masyarakat. Sekian, terima kasih.